corn fat of the The Grandmaster has requested me to bring some important information to you all. He requested that you check out his Patreon page at www.patreon.com/Jeddalo to see all the bonus content and behind-the-scenes action you could receive when pledging to help his channel. All proceedings he receives from his Patreon will be used to help fund future machinists, such as training cast and crew, along with a possible cup of blue milk. And to finally defeat that uncharismatic tyrant, the severe asthma.
Greetings, younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights. It is I, the Grandmaster Jeddalo, here to give you another lesson in the ways of the Force. And we're back with more RE1 Remake. Still on Jill. It was the second part of Jill. So anyway, remember this channel is on value for value. If you're getting a value from this video, remember to give something of value back, whether it be your time, talent, or treasure. And yeah, more on that in the description below. And without further ado, let's get into this. So, what do we have here in our thing? Okay, so we've got all this. Okay, so back in the box. This way. This way. This away, this away, and of course, put this away. So all we need now is what you see there, it's all we need. Alright. So, those guys are dead. Oh, there's a zombie. Zombo. Die, Zombo. He's dead. It's a wolf. No, he's not. Here. Hopefully Zombo doesn't try to bite me in the fucking jugular. Take it easy there, Zombo. Other door we locked earlier. Back there. Back over this way. Okay. Something here on the table. We'll need to take this. Yes. Enough room for what we need? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so some stuff over here you need to take. Take the handgun magazine. Yes. Oops. Gotta grab this thing here. There we go. The dog whistle. Crumpled memo. Today, Sir Spencer told me to hide something where no one could find it. Well, I had this idea. I figured if I could somehow have it protected by a dangerous animal like the vicious canine that lives here, no one would be able to get near it. As far as I can tell, the mud is always hanging around the second floor balcony on the west side of the terrace, and he ought to come running at the sound of a dog whistle. This is where you come in. The thing is, I reckon you're the only person that can get near that damn dog without risking a serious mauling. Which means only you can put this collar on him. The object that Sir Spencer wants hidden is concealed inside. You're the only person I can trust with this. Of course, you'll get something out of it as well. Remember that certain item you've always wanted to get a hold of? Well, in exchange for your services, I just might be able to get it for you. This could work out well for both of us. John Tolman. I wonder what happened to John. He probably dead. Dead all over. Pages are blank. No one cares. There we go. The thing about this game is you have to walk at things on a certain angle in order for you to pick them up, which is kind of annoying. Oh, it's a zombie. Take a bullet. Take another bullet. Take a third one. Yep. Run. Go down here. We'll do this first. Alright. What you want to do, go over here to the fireplace. Take your lighter. Use it, then you want to use the mount. Alright. It's a map of the mansion second floor. Take it? Yes. We got the second floor mansion map. Oh, that's okay. Get that. Sure. We'll put this in the box. Okay. Alright. So, I don't know where Zombo is. Where's Zombo? Zombo. Oh, God, Zombo. Back. Back. Take a bullet. Oh, shit, get up. Another bullet. He's bleeding. Okay. He's bleeding. Gotta burn him up. It's a Zombo. Take his oh. That was kind of anticlimactic. He just fell down. Let's reload. Take another bullet. Gotta get up again. Don't see no blood. Yep. There we go. Now his blood's pooling. Now his blood's pooling. Alright, we'll come back out for that one. Give me just a second, Padawans. My eye is really acting up today. Watering, and I got something in it, or it's one of my eyelashes poking me in my eye. So give me just a moment. Wipe my eye clean. Alright. so we can actually... Alright, from here we'll take this. Gonna burn up some bodies. We gotta burn up 2 bodies, and then we gotta refuel it. Let's burn you first, since you're right here. Gotta get it like right over top of him, otherwise it's not gonna work. This, go back inside. Oh. Got that done. Alright. Back up the stairs. What do we got? Alright. Back this way. Here, we gotta go back on the other side of the place then. My eye again. Sorry, Padawans, my eye again is acting up today. The other side. Through here. Turn around. Use the dog whistle. Move up. Okay, ready. Here it comes. Like me. Like Get off the fucking mongrel. Check my health. Cautions. Make this. Hello? Okay, let's go burn up these guys. Gotta wait for the one guy to get done burning. Burn this guy. Brick door. Okay, scene. So, up the stairs. Now we gotta go this other section. Go completely around. You know what? Let's just get this. Burn. Burn them now? This guy's like taking like forever to burn. There we go. Still around. Doesn't matter. Where we're at. Corner. I'll deal with that guy. Don't worry about that crimson. Alright, up the stairs. May whoever takes this emblem find peace in death. Okay, they're here. want to go that way because we got that Crimson over there. So don't want to deal with him just yet. We'll deal with him later. Okay. Alright. It's Kenneth. This door. So now, let's take this. Oops, this way. Back upstairs. This way. Remember, when you're playing this, you might have different outcomes than me. So this is just a basic general route to where to go. So don't be like, oh, well, Jeddalo did this, so I'm going to do the exact same thing. Well, you can, but... Oh, great, gotta do it this guy. Okay. Got a thing? Yeah, I got plenty of thing in my thing. There he is. The bullet. Oh. Re-aim kill. Let's get those bullets. Oh, I can't see him. Okay. Is he dead? Let's go burn him. Okay, he's burning. Okay. This way. Go into the brick door first. See what we're gonna do. Brick door. Then, oops, fill up your canteen. Okay, that's done. Now we're gonna go back to the box, which was in that other room around the corner down here. So now we go back down here. There's a lot of backtracking in this game. Use the armor key. Usually when I'm streaming this, I don't check the keys because I know what key goes to where, but since I am doing this as a tutorial type, walkthrough type thing, yeah. Okay, just a dagger knife here. Okay. Put the tiger. Give him some shotgun shells. I'm playing in the 4:3 ratio as well. I just want to let everyone know. The reason why I'm playing in the 4:3 ratio is you can actually see more, and if you're playing in the widescreen ratio, it kind of cuts out the top and the bottom, so the camera goes up, goes down, depending on where your character is going, and it can get a little annoying after a while with an additional camera movement because of the ratio you're in. So I just figured I'd just play it in the 4:3 for everyone. Okay, you got some bullets. What we got here? Keeper's Diary. May 9th, 1998. Played poker tonight with Scott and Elias from Security and Steve from Research. Steve was a big winner, but I think it was cheating, scumbag. May 10th, 1998. One of the higher-ups assigned me to take care of a new creature. It looks like a skinned gorilla. Feeding instructions were to give it live animals. When I threw in a pig, the creature seemed to play with it, tearing off the pig's legs and pulling out the guts before it actually started eating. May 11th, 1998. At around 5 a.m., Scott woke me up. Scared the shit out of me, too. He was wearing a protective suit. He handed me another one and told me to put it on. Said there'd been an accident in the basement lab. I just knew something like this would happen. Those bastards in Research never sleep, even on holiday. May 12th, 1998. I've been wearing the damn spacesuit since yesterday. My skin's getting grimy and feels itchy all over. The goddamn dogs have been looking at me funny, so I decided not to feed them today. Screw 'em. May 13th, 1998. Went to the infirmary today. Went to the infirmary because my back is all swollen and feels itchy. They put a big bandage on it and told me I didn't need to wear the suit anymore. All I want to do is sleep. May 14th, 1998. Found another big blister on my foot this morning. I ended up dragging my foot all the way to the dog's pen. They were quiet all day, which is weird. Then I realized some of them had escaped. Maybe this is their way of getting back at me for not feeding them the last 3 days. If anybody finds out, I'll have my head handed to me. May 16, 1998. Rumors going around that a researcher who tried to escape the estate last night was shot. My entire body feels hot and itchy, and I'm sweating all the time now. I scratched a swelling on my arm, and a piece of rotten flesh just dropped off. What the hell's happening to me? May 19th, 1998. Fever gone but itchy. Today hungry and eat doggy food. May 21st, 1998. Itchy, itchy. Scott came ugly face, so killed him. Tasty. 4. Itchy. Tasty. Okay. Little Scott itchy tasty. Take a bullet. Take another one. Oh, so Scott's? Oh, Scott itchy. Tasty's getting up again. Not over there, just that one. Live too. Keep shooting. Okay, reload. Okay, we don't have to come back in here, thank God. Alright. Down here. Lid on the, yes, turn to the red, because that's the way the water turned, and the color of the water turned when you put the chemical in, it turned red. Kill those little bastards. Ugh, my eye. Sorry, Padawans, still dealing with eye problems. Alright. Jill. Combine these. Oops. Oh well. Did not mean to take it. Oh well. Not a big deal. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing with my eye. Alright. Click the mask. Examine. Death mask. It's a death mask without eyes. Mask without eyes. Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh shit, they're breaking through. Run, Jill. Okay, don't worry, we won't have to deal with those guys until later, so. Alright, so what you want to do is go back. Put the mask away. This is where we're going to end for today, Padawans. So I just want to say thank you all for watching. Remember, again, this video is, this channel is on the value for value model. So if you've got any type of value from this, please give something of value back. And yeah, I just want to let you all know, currently still working on the Texas Chainsaw Massacre machinima. So I don't know when that'll be done. I'm still currently working on it. So until next time, my younglings and Padawans, remember, the Force will be with you, always.